Well, they are nice and snug inside, but outside, Mike, there's still some snow coming down out there. It looks like winter out there.
Yeah, that's the case, Nalina. Still is in some spots, too. Great day today for taking in some music indoors, or if you wanted to hit the ski slopes, hey, the skiing wasn't too bad. Lori Dankart reporting 6.5 inches of snow down there in the hills of Perrysburg today, so actually a fresh coating of white for the skiers down that direction. Let's take a look at forewarned up. We'll give you a little tour of the area tonight. We still have some lingering lake effect out there right now. It's not widespread, but some areas still seeing it. As we zoom into this band now, if you were with us back around 6 o'clock tonight, we were watching this sink southward through Niagara in Orleans counties, and I mentioned it probably would start to edge down into northern sections of the Tonawandas, Amherst, and northern Clarence and Newstead. And sure enough, that has been the case. Those areas being brushed a little bit by some of this lake effect snow band, and also some of that extending even over the thruway now in Genesee County. Looks like the snow may be picking up a little bit here around Pembroke at the western side of Genesee County and over toward the village of Akron in southern Newstead. Taking it down the south of the city, another band down that direction. This seems to be weakening quite a bit now over the past half hour. We're starting to see a definite weakening trend. This has been coming in from Silver Creek across Gowanda down through Franklinville, Delavan, and maybe into the Cuba Rushford area here in Allegheny County. But that's going to be weakening, and even the activity up to the north as well. Let's take a look at the spring countdown. Back by popular demand. Used to do this on Wake Up. We're down to 16 more days now before the official arrival of the spring season. Can you stand it? Satellite and radar picture. We're seeing a definite weakening trend to the lake effect snows back to the west here off Lake Huron, and that same thing is going to take place here in western New York. There might be a stray snow shower or flurry pretty much for the rest of the night in areas and also into the early morning hours tomorrow. But as we get into Monday, drier air is going to be working in here. Now, we may not be looking at bright sunshine, but we're going to see some as we work through the day. And wind speed's not too bad, at least out there for Monday. Now, getting into Monday night, mostly clear skies. Cold night shaping up tomorrow night. The wind's not especially strong. On Tuesday, a little bit of cloudiness is going to blow off a warm front, which is passing northwest of the area. So we're going to see some of that, but it should be dry. The winds start to pick up, especially getting into Tuesday night in the higher terrain, and that's going to be the case for Wednesday. Lots of sunshine going on, becoming quite windy in the hills and along the lakeshore down here in Chautauqua County, and much milder. Temperatures well into the 50s. 21 right now up on the island. 22 in the village of Williamsville, Cheektowaga 24, down to West Seneca and Hamburg, 23 at Eden, and a chillier 18 at Colden presently. And looking at the regional numbers, Bradford and Wellsville checking in at 21, 19 at Jamestown, 21 at the Falls, and that wind chill has a bite. 10 degrees, that's how it feels in Buffalo right now. 6 down at Jamestown and 8 at Wellsville. Here's your Sunday night forecast. Chance of a snow shower in northern areas, maybe some odd breaks in the cloud cover. That localized snow shower activity down to the south, that band should become more scattered, around maybe another inch in some spots. It's going to be cold down to 13 to 18. Chance of a morning snow shower to the south of the city tomorrow. Otherwise, well, at least becoming partly cloudy. Maybe even a little bit more sun than that. Still chilly with the highs 24 to 27 degrees. Partly to mostly clear tomorrow night. A cold night shaping up 10 in the valleys, 17 in the city. Tuesday, some pesky clouds around. It's going to be milder, but a dry day, low 40s. And on Wednesday, we're looking at lots of sunshine. 55 degrees, windy in the higher terrain.
Wow.
Thursday, some rain is likely, 47. Back down to 42 on Friday. And looks like the next shot of rain maybe toward the tail end of the weekend on Sunday.
55. I like seeing that number up there.
A little hint of spring there.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much, Mike.